Welcome to the Wineries Plus directory demonstration. The Wineries Plus directory is a simple database application that contains more than 5,000 North America wineries. It runs on a Windows mobile device with touchscreens, be them square or rectangular screens. Since everything is accessed from the main screen, let's take a look at the features one at a time. First, let's go through the buttons or tabs at the bottom. First off is the Edit tab. This is a modal application, so we need to be in edit mode in order to change things. This makes it easy for us not to change things inadvertently or by accident. When we are in edit mode, we can tell that we can change things because the background of the fields are white. We can actually add a new record. We can delete a record. Do we want to delete that new record? Yes, we do. We can copy a particular record. Ask us for confirmation to duplicate it. I'm going to say no to that. And of course, we can dial the phone number from the screen. It'll take us right into the dialer if we have a phone-enabled device. Navigation is done by simple VCR-style buttons. We can go to the last record. We can go back to the first record. You can go to the next record, and of course you can go to the previous record. These buttons on the left, for example, the first one will actually go out and do a Google search on the winery name within seconds. You have a search and see all the results based on the winery name within Google. The next button down will actually go and to Google Maps, take the address, and give you the map to that particular address. And of course we have our zoom in, zoom out features on the right there. And the final button is if we have the direct URL of that particular winery, click that button, it'll go out to your browser and go directly to the winery's website. At the bottom of our screen are some pop-up menus. The first is the record, which allows us to actually search for a specific winery. And of course, go back out of our edit view. We can also delete a particular record or duplicate the record and print the record. When in edit mode, we have cut, copy, and paste capabilities, standard within normal Windows editing capability. And we also have the ability to transfer the record or records to other Pocket PC Windows mobile devices that are equipped with a infrared capability. The options menu allows us to take a look at our records within a list view or table view similar to Excel. We can zoom in on that list, make it a little bit easier to read. And we can set custom filters for the list. It remembers the last filter I used. And in this one, it's showing the city is Napa and Sonoma. We want to make sure that it's either or, so at least one must match down here. Click OK. And now, from the 5,552 total records in the database, it now shows the 391 wineries that are in the city of Napa and or Sonoma. Quickly turn the filter off. From the options, we also can do, again, a search for a specific winery. Same as we had over in the record pop-up. And of course we can clear the database here, but for the purposes of this demo we do not want to do that. Obviously we can go out, turn the list off, and go right back to the page we're on. And the final pop-up menu is the exit button, which gives us our about screen. and also lets us exit the application, which unloads the application from memory. The tabs at the bottom of the screen allow us to do a number of different things. Again, the Edit button allows us to go in and out of the edit mode. The Notes tab allows us to add notes about the winery. The Draw allows us to use our stylus or our pen to sketch. The Export allows us to export to a file some or all of our records within the database, which again you can open up using Excel or maybe your favorite contact manager. And then finally, again, we can dial the winery if we have a phone enabled device. So let's review. The Wineries Plus directory is a database of more than 5,000 wineries within North America. It allows us to do more than just have a list of those wineries, though. You can actually go out and do searches to the internet on the winery name, look up the mapping information on that particular winery, and also directly go out to that winery's website if indeed the URL is available. Has easy navigation, so you can scroll through your list of wineries. It allows you to quickly see a list or the view of your wineries in a table format. Of course, it allows you to filter or do lookups on multiple criteria using the custom filter device. And of course, it allows you to keep notes and little sketches about a particular winery. And then once you have that information, you'd also want to be able to quickly share it with other applications. So the Wineries Plus database allows you to export some or all of that information. And also, because you have a Pocket PC phone, integration with your telephone capabilities is an imperative. So we built in a quick dialer for you as well. So thank you for taking the time to look at the Wineries Plus directory. Please drop me an email and let me know what you think. If you send me a note, good or bad, I'll send you a discount code good towards the purchase of the Wineries Plus directory. Best wishes and happy tastings.